planning meals and snacks, building shopping lists, meeting nutritional standards, budgeting, billing parents, and filing CACFP claims manually can be a time-consuming and daunting task. With Prime Childcare, you can manage all these things online in the same system you use to maintain student records, manage check-ins, track attendance, bill and invoice customers, and manage your financials. You can easily create menu schedules with any items, recipes, or ingredients. The drag and drop menus now make it easier to schedule a menu through a weekly calendar. You can also copy any menu from previous schedules and view entire weeks of snacks and meals to check for duplicates. Prime Childcare comes with a personalized dashboard that shows the cost per serving and portion sized by age group. You can also obtain nutritional and ingredient information as our system automatically calculates nutritional values and portion sizes. Our constantly updated system checks each menu against up-to-date USDA rate patterns for compliance. It also automatically calculates the weekly budget for each menu plan to make financial planning and claim reporting easier. Track real-time meal consumption of each student and bill parents and file CACFP reimbursement claims for meals based on attendance. We also offer print and digital forms that allow you to submit claims easily, all of which can be tracked through our dashboard. The best part is our automatically generated daily meal production reports, which make those audit trails smoother and hassle-free. Connect with us at pccsoft.com to get started.